Hola, honey bunny. So, now is spring yan, pero look at it naman. So, saan nga pa kami pupunta? So, nag-drive kami papunta dito. So, mahabang biyahe, and there you go. Eto na po, yan. Ayan, nakikita niyo, this is our first thing we need to do in beekeeping. So, ayun ang aking tripod. No, hindi pala tripod. And then we use our Bibulancy, although it's very snowy. Actually, it's not supposed to be snowing at this time. But after that, pumunta kami here, somewhere else. And then, we visited some hives. And then there are lots of birds already. So we're expecting lots of holes in the hive. So there you go. Yan, ayun, chine-check ng aking driver. Charot. Okay, so follow for more.